This rainforest is rich in resources, but the harsh environment is also no joke. So, how do you survive in this kind of environment? Hey everyone, I'm Brother Lim. After 2.5 years, I'm back in the Pulo rainforest. This time, my goal is to go solo, one pack, without bringing any food or fire starters, to survive with you for 15 days. Right now, I'm at the home of a Pulo rainforest native. It's the same old buddy who took me into the rainforest last time. Hey, say hi to everyone. Coming to his home this time, I just realized, this guy is a total badass. His house is full of trophies. Come on, I'll show you around. Whoa, a whole row of wild boar tusks. These are all wild boar teeth. The boar with tusks this big must be over 200 pounds. And this string of pendants. Fangs. Leopard fangs. Besides the small trinkets in the cabinet. There's some really intense stuff on the wall. See this? This is a wild buffalo head. This is a deer head. And over here, these are all. These small animal pelts. I don't know what this is. This is the real deal. A clouded leopard. Do you know what a clouded leopard is? Well, this is it. This stuff is all just wood. Ha ha ha. Seriously hardcore. The stuff hanging on the wall is all the good-looking, antlered stuff. The ugly ones don't deserve to be on the wall. Anyway, enough said. I should get going. Still having this big brother take me into the woods. With this old hunter leading the way, I feel pretty safe heading into the jungle. The houses here are pretty interesting. They're all these stilt houses. It's a rainforest, so the humidity is high. Whoa. Why is the water in this river so rapid? The Pulo rainforest is located on a Southeast Asian equatorial island. It's the largest rainforest in all of Asia. It's rich in flora and fauna. The ecosystem is pristine. And where I'm going is deep into the rainforest. It takes 2.5 hours even by dugout canoe. Even when the drone flies to its highest point, you can't see any trace of human civilization. This is the spot for my half-month wilderness survival challenge. Ahaha, made it to the spot. This is the real heart of the rainforest. For dozens of miles around, it's all forest. How about it? Does this place look familiar? That's right, I've been here before. But it's all good. This time, I'm planning to do something different here. This time, I've come during what's truly the dry season. I won't introduce my gear one by one. It's all the same old cast of characters. But what's different this time is, I brought a small knife. A rain tarp. I still don't really trust the weather here. Just for emergencies. Better safe than sorry, right? Going to check out that old shelter. Maybe I can still stay there. Hey, I noticed the water here isn't as muddy. It feels a lot clearer. Looks like there's been less rain. This is the place. The terrain has been washed out and changed, but the water is still as clear as before. Hey. No way. I just found my shelter. And then, it starts to rain. This is infuriating. I'll never trust Pulo's stupid weather again. Wasn't June supposed to be the dry season? It's really flipping fast. It was clear blue skies just a minute ago. I need to clear this spot first. And set up the rain tarp. Then I'll be fine. Ooh. I give up, you tricky weather. Just let it dry for a bit. I'm gonna go dry off too. I'm soaked to the bone. Good. This wood can be dry. Then it can be used to make fire. Hey, what's the big idea? I just hung my clothes out to dry. And the dark clouds are rolling in again. Don't mess with me, I just got here. Damn it, it's starting again, it's starting again. Damn, it's thundering too. Ooh. Ooh, fine, go ahead and rain, do whatever you want, I don't care anymore. Oh man. Everything is wet, it's miserable. But what can you do? This is a truly hellish start. Look, my skin feels awful, so itchy. It's getting dark, getting dark. The long, hard night is beginning. Crap, it's full of bugs. I originally wanted to stay on the sandbank. The pebbles on the sandbank are at least comfortable, right? But I'm afraid it'll pour rain in the middle of the night, and I'll get washed away, which would be bad. Ooh, just have to tough it out. This night will be over soon. Good morning, brothers. It's finally daylight. It was pretty cold last night. Mainly because everything around is wet. My clothes are wet too. It'll be good to get a fire going. The sun will come out today. I'll dry myself out. Dry the materials. And then I can make fire. But first things first. The sound of the birds is pretty nice. I'll go hang out on the riverbed. On those pebbles. It's comfortable there. After all, I didn't sleep well last night. I'm going to rest on the riverbed for a bit, wait for the sun to come out. Then I'll go prepare the fire-making materials, tinder bundle, dry kindling, and the fire-starting tools. I need to get all these ready and dry. This will determine whether I sleep soundly tonight. So I'm taking this task very seriously. Made a friction fire tool. It'll be ready to use once it's dry. Everything. All the fire-starting materials are ready. I will definitely make fire today. It's pretty much dry. Time to make fire. Doesn't look like it's going to rain. Haha. Should be fine. Yeah. Did a simple cleanup of the ground. This campsite is starting to look like something. Aha. If only I had a small bed. But I don't have the energy to build a bed right now. I have to go get something to eat. Speaking of food, the rainforest should be the last place you'd run out of food. There's a patch of spiny palm here. This stuff is edible. This one is way too big. It's covered in thorns. Maybe I should keep looking. Found a smaller one over here. Palm heart is rich in carbohydrates. It's also the easiest edible thing to get right now. So I need to fill my stomach as much as possible. Because I still have to make fire. Very tender. There's more here, such a big piece. Sweet. Delicious. Finished one. And I found another one. It's been drying for so long, I should be able to make fire. It's extremely dry. I'll just do it here on the riverbed. And it's dry. I think this wood is too hard. Ah. Still just short. Still just a little bit off. Ah, this stupid weather. It's raining again. I'll deal with the fire tomorrow. Been busy all day. I'm all sticky. I spent the whole morning cutting wooden poles to build a bed. As for the fire, I think I'll try again this afternoon. Let the materials dry out a bit more. Ew. Man, the bow drill is so much better. Look at this ember. Ah. It's finally lit. Those damn dark clouds over there are drifting this way again. I gotta move this fire to the camp, quick. Oh crap, it's starting to rain again. Hurry, hurry. Yes. Ha 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 ha. You can't get me. Ah, seriously, it's really coming down now, and it's not a light rain either. I'm so glad I brought this tarp. Comfy. Lying on the bed. Not getting rained on. The fire over there is also burning. The rain stopped. This is really nice. The fire is right under the edge of the tarp, and if I keep my head low, it's not even that smoky. See that gap over there? Let's go. Check the ditch, see if I can catch something to eat. It's perfect, now that I have fire. The ground out here is a bit slippery, but other than that, it's fine. Ha ha ha, you're mine. Ha ha ha. It's just drizzling now, no big deal. Let's go check further in. Wow, the landscape in here has completely changed. So many fallen trees. Found another one here. Oh crap, it almost slipped out of my hand. Hey. Don't move. Ah. Perfect. Roasting. Ooh, let's get a bigger piece of wood. Just need to burn through this big log, and I'll have firewood. It's really so wet here. All this soft, rotting stuff needs to be cleared. Wait a couple of days for better weather, and I'll reorganize this camp. I've been busy these last 2 days, plus, it rains every day. The ground is soaked. Still the same great taste. Gotta say, the frogs in Pulo are seriously even better than in Laos, haha. Ah. What the hell was that? Wow. Delicious. Oh man. Oh man. It's dark. Time for me to go to sleep too. This is an awesome way to sleep, right next to the fire. Falling asleep to the sounds of bugs and birds. Does it get any better than this?